It's a special video for joint greasing of trackman, and see they're removing the fish plate and greasing and fish plate again, because it is a very vital point. It's a breakage of rail. Whenever they replace rail and cut the rail and fish plate, both side fish plate of each rail has been fitted, and this is with the bolt they are fitting. Because of heavy movement, it may cause damage of bolt or fish plate, so they frequently check and open it and greasing the area. So this vital work has been carrying out the engineering staff of the railway so sincerely. See the tightness of the bolt is far most vital. So and there and the spanner has been extended to certain level, so the torque of the bolt has been given in a specific amount. So this greasing action is going on, and so now what they are afraiding to there is a AEN visit in this area. Before that they are afraiding to complete it, so they are doing it very fast. See, the wastage grease of workshop has been reused here. You can see they are carrying with the bucket. See, their range has been tightened with the pipe to give a exact torque of the bolt. Torque is compulsory, is a certain torque is compulsory, because high movement, high speed train movement, so the bolt become loosen, so it should not be happen. See, they are extremely sincere about this bolt and greasing work. How you like this video? Please comment and share among your friends, and subscribe my channel, and so we'll encourage to bring this kind of video in future. And many video has been uploaded, so please watch generously and subscribe. See, it's end phase of their work. Today the certain area has been given to them, so they wanted to finish it in advance before a senior officer's visit. So they're sincerely doing it, and this man is very much trained. See the fish plate and heavy it's a very hard work. They are doing is very hard work. So they are they must be completing in time. This is end of my video. Please subscribe and share among your friends, and thank you very much. Just closing very fast. All the people are engaged in work. Thank you very much.